Ever open your water bill and think it has to be a huge mistake? That might be your first sign that there's a water leak. Here are a few signs your home might be leaking behind the scenes. Mysterious water spots or warped flooring, low water pressure, the sound of water running when everything's off. When that happens, don't wait. Call Mother. They specialize in leak detection and use high-tech tools to find the problem without tearing up your walls. They're fast, professional, and treat your home like it's their own. No mess, no stress, just answers. Save yourself the headache and the expense. Call Mother before it's too late.
At callmother.com.